Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me as we delve into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. Today, we're going to explore a word that can sometimes get us into trouble if we're not careful: boast. It's a C1 level verb, and it means to speak proudly about achievements. So, what exactly does it mean to boast? Well, it's when you talk about your accomplishments, possessions, or abilities in a way that is excessively proud or self-satisfied. It's more than just stating a fact. It's about trying to impress others with your superiority. Imagine someone saying, "I'm the best programmer in the entire company. No one can write code as efficiently as I do." That, my friends, is a classic example of boasting. It's important to remember that confidence is great, but boasting can come across as arrogant and off-putting. Let's look at some synonyms for boast. One is brag. For instance, he loves to brag about his expensive car. Another synonym is crow. You might hear someone say, "She couldn't help but crow about winning the lottery." A similar word is flaunt, which emphasizes showing something off. For example, they like to flaunt their wealth by wearing designer clothes. We also have vaunt, meaning to exhibit or mention in a boastful manner. You could say, "The company vaunted its success in the new market." And finally, consider parade. He paraded his accomplishments at every opportunity. Now, let's consider the opposite of boasting. What are some antonyms? The first that comes to mind is humble. Despite his incredible success, he remained humble. Another antonym is modest. She was too modest to talk about her achievements. We can also use the word downplay. He tended to downplay his role in the project's success. A further antonym is belittle. She would never belittle someone else's efforts. Also, consider degrade. He would never degrade anyone to raise himself up. How can we use boast in everyday life? Well, it's a word that often comes up in discussions about character and social interactions. For example, if someone is constantly talking about how much money they make, you might say, "He's always boasting about his salary." Or if someone is exaggerating their athletic abilities, you could say, "She tends to boast about how fast she can run." You might hear the phrase "to boast about something" quite often. Here are some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. He boasted that he could beat anyone at chess. She boasted of her intelligence. The company boasts a high customer satisfaction rate. It's nothing to boast about. He is always boasting about his achievements. I don't want to boast, but I think I did a pretty good job. Let's recap. Boast, a C1 level verb, means to speak proudly about achievements. Synonyms include brag, crow, flaunt, vaunt, and parade. Antonyms include humble, modest, downplay, belittle, and degrade. Remember, while it's good to be proud of your accomplishments, it's important to avoid boasting to maintain positive relationships with others. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word boast helpful. Now, here's my call to action for you. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn new vocabulary. Also, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word boast and share it as a comment below the video. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning!